Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already paired your devices. Now open the fitness app to view activity. Tap the Summary tab to start. Once done, make sure the watch is unlocked and nearby so data syncs. If you prefer, open the Health app and choose Activity to see raw metrics. This step connects the watch's sensors to iPhone visuals so you can read rings, workouts, and trends without touching the watch. Once in the Summary view, tap the activity rings to expand daily detail and swipe between days to compare progress. Make sure to scroll to workouts to see individual sessions. Tap a workout to view calories, heart rate, and duration. After that, check trends to track long-term changes and awards for earned badges. These views explain why a trend moved and what to focus on next. To finalize, let data fully sync and review sharing options. Use the Sharing tab to compare with friends or export health data for backups. If something seems missing, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth to force a fresh sync. This resolves most delays. Make sure activity permissions are enabled in watch and iPhone privacy settings so data flows. If problems continue, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort to rebuild the connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.